I already pre-removed the lug nuts to the tires. Now I'm going to be taking apart the brake pad hardware to take the brake pads off, doing the brake pad change, wheel seal, rotors, and the ABS tone ring in this video today. So it's pretty much not too much tools you'll need to do this. It's pretty simple. So all you got to do is really pretty much disconnect everything from the back. Always make sure that you release the air. If you do not release the air, you will not be able to do this part, and you'll break that little ring. Don't forget to take your ABS sensor out. You don't want to damage that when you're taking the caliper apart. These right here are 1/2 inch Allen head 14. I used a 1/2 inch. Take all 6 of those out on each side. Pretty hard to get off at first, so I had to kind of use some strength to take it off. But once you get it off, you can set the caliper on top of the leaf spring. It'll sit. After that, you want to take off your nut, which is 2 inch. Get your rotor and your wheel hub assembly off. And after that, you want to spray this down thoroughly with some PP Blaster because it's going to be kind of hard to take off. I have a little trick which I will show you how to do so. You might have to use a pick and scrape along the edges over here, and use a Scotch pad and kind of scrape here to kind of get all that crud out and be able to lift this up. A trick right here to get it out. Clean that out very good. I used brake clean. Clean that out. The old rotor. New rotor. New bolts. Pretty much at this point, it's all in reverse order. All you got to do is just zip all these bolts back down, and after that, you got your new tone ring. And once you got your new tone ring, you put that locking nut back on. Once you put the locking nut back on, you zip back on your caliper bolts. Make sure those are tight. And also, too, don't forget your hub cap. Make sure that's tight. And also put the fluid back inside halfway. Don't forget your ABS. And, brakes, brake pads. If you want a video on brake pads, let me know and I'll make that. And after that, you're all done. Just make sure everything's good. Retrace your steps. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can also leave in the comment section for any questions. I will also leave in the description part numbers and also all the tools used and extra information as well. You guys all have a good day.